Welcome to the Sage 300 People Overview. In this video, you will be given an explanation of the Sage 300 People Big Picture, as well as the entity concept. An overview of what the system looks like will be given, together with tips on which training courses clients can attend to cover specific sections of the system. The Sage 300 People Big Picture is an overview of how the whole system is compiled. Information in the Sage 300 People system is stored in a database. Different companies can be set up in the Sage 300 People system, for example, to accommodate different countries. The hierarchy structure is database-wide. This defines a structure within a company such as departments, branches, and so on. Parameter codes such as job titles and job grades are also database-wide. This means they will be available in any company in the database. On company level, you will also set up payroll definitions. This includes your earning definitions, deduction definitions, and company contributions. These companies can be split into different company rules according to the frequency of payments. For example, monthly or weekly pay periods. Company rules can also be used when a company has subsidiaries with different pay-as-you-earn numbers. The company rule is further split into pay runs. For example, a main pay run, a bonus pay run, and a commission pay run. The employee can have multiple pay slips or one consolidated pay slip, and the payments can be made on separate dates. Different payment runs can be set up for a pay run. For example, some employees will be paid cash and others electronically using ACB banking software. Alternate to setting up a company rule, pay run, and payment run, and then linking each employee to these separately for the company rule, you can also set up a remuneration structure that consists of all of these settings. On employee level, the employee is then linked to a company rule, pay run, and payment run, or the employee can be linked to a remuneration structure. The Sage 300 People system is designed around the entity concept. All legal entities such as companies, employees, trusts, personal service providers have fixed information that is not likely to change. For example, an ID number will remain unchanged irrespective of where the person is employed. One legal entity will have one entity record on the Sage 300 People system. The entity record contains information such as personal details, addresses, contact details, banking details, and the relationship to other entities in the Sage 300 People system. This means that once the entity record is created, information does not have to be duplicated when the same entity is employed by a different employer in the Sage 300 People system. Although there may be many employee records per person, there can only be one entity record per employee. The entity record can simply be linked to multiple employee records. Both the employee record and the entity record are required for each person employed. Employee records contain specific company information such as dates, for example, the date of engagement or the leave cycle start date, tax statuses, company rule, leave policy, and remuneration structure, for example, basic salary or cost to company structure. Entity records contain basic information of an employee that will remain the same, irrespective of where the employee is employed.